That's what they say.
Hard work,
Hard work, I earn my pay.
hard work,
Hard work, do it every day.
hard work,
I get up about 2:45.
hard work,
Got to go and earn my pay.
hard work,
Put my boots on and lace them up.
hard work,
Got another day's of work.
hard work,
Hard work, that's what they say.
hard work.
Hard work.
Hey, what's up everybody? Stefan from Paint Boss here. Today we're finishing up this beautiful interior with all this woodwork and TNG. Beautiful kitchen and woodwork package in this house.
Let's go to work. Hard work, hard work. You're packing your shoes. Hard work, hard work.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to do stairs.
Hard work and the best.
Look how pretty this is. We got a beautiful stain tread on a painted white riser. So we're going to kind of show you how we do that. So Jose went and bondoed all of our nail marks from the stair guys that installed it. And as you can see, this is like a pretty epic trim pack in here. So we have all duck mold wainscoting all the way up. And what we're doing today is we're going to do those stairs. And this skirt is already painted, but when the floor guys installed this, obviously they kind of messed up our skirt. So there's an easier way to mask it instead of trying to chase down the skirt. Jose went ahead and put the tape up here so the whole skirt board and the risers will all be brand new. So the mission today is, Jose went and did all the Bondo. We got it all prepped. We got our new post shot with the first coat. And now we're just going to do a really quick and sticky coat on these. Nothing fancy. We're just trying to get this tack coated. We're not going to go heavy. We're not worried about how pretty it is, we're just doing this to give us a chance to cover up that Bondo. So we come across real quick. This is for when we do our final coat. It has a good millage and it covers up that red Bondo. We're doing this so we can get all of that good coverage that we're going to want off of our final coat. So we're just giving ourselves a chance, kind of like that last basketball video. We're not trying to go crazy. We just want to cover up a little bit of the Bondo. So we're just kind of fogging it, or sticky coat, whatever you want to call it. So you can see up here, there's a lot of Bondo. It's a 50-50 chance whether it'll cover that in one coat. So we're just going to go ahead and do a really quick blast. Now by doing a really quick one, we're ensuring it's going to dry in about 5-10 minutes. Okay, so that's all we need. All we need is that one little quick tack coat. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this dry for about 10-15 minutes. And by that time, we'll go outside, we'll take a break. By that time, it'll all be dry enough to touch it. And then we're gonna do our big heavy coat to make it match all of this beautiful woodwork. You can see what an intense wood package this was. We're on our final stages, so stick around. We'll be right back when we do the final coat. Okay, welcome back. So as you can see, we got our sticky coat over all the Bondo, and it's all dry to the touch now. That's just gonna give us a little bit of a better chance of getting all that covered up. So with this kind of application, normally we would do our risers up and down, but we have a skirt on either side of it. So we're gonna have to keep a wet edge. So we're actually gonna go sideways and kill it all on our paper. So we're gonna try to just keep a steady stream going down the stairs, okay? So the goal is to take our spray, do the riser back into the skirt and so on, and work our way down. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we're just gonna keep clearing it like that. And we're gonna take our wet edge. We know at every step that's our wet edge. So we're gonna keep using that wet edge and go side to side. Okay. So as you can see, we're kind of rocking it all the way down, side to side, and we're trying not to stop. Because this is our wet edge coming in. So you're noticing at those bottoms, I'm going a little quicker because we're trying to just spray all in one unit. So as we come down into this section, we're just going to repeat the same thing. So we're going to keep going. I got it. We're going to keep going side to side and keep getting it all sprayed on the same direction like that. Okay, there you have it.
Hard work.
Hard work.
So,
Hard work.
Hard work.
you can take a peek at that right now
Hard work.
and see that it's all one coat. There's going to be no overlap line on everything because it was all sprayed in one continuous pattern from top to bottom.
Hard work, do it every day.
Hard work.
I get up about a quarter
Alright.
to 3.
Hard work.
So there you have it. Once again, we're sorry we haven't done any videos lately. It's just been so crazy. We haven't had the time to follow along. Thank you so much for the support, and we'll see you soon.
Hard work, that's what they say.
Hard work.